Hello, I'm Steve Ferris of Indiana University of Pennsylvania, and in collaboration with my colleagues Narayan Jayaraman from Georgia Tech and Stella Leo from Illinois State University, we have authored a paper entitled Cultural Trust and Transparency Effects on the Use of Anchoring in Mergers and Acquisitions, which was recently published in the Journal of Financial Research. I would like to tell you very briefly about what we found and what we did. Previous studies of M&A tend to focus on things like post-merger performance, estimation of synergies, or even the method of payment. In this study, we asked a question: what are some of the determinants, or what helps to explain the price at which an acquirer purchases a target? Baker et al. In a 2012 paper finds evidence of the use of anchoring in setting that offer price for a sample of US firms. In this study, we asked, does anchoring exist globally? Is it a global or an international phenomenon? And might there be systematic differences in the use of anchoring across countries? And we think indeed that there are reasons for that due to, say, cultural effects, the level of trust, or even the quality of institutions. And in our empirical work, we find that is the case. We find that there are cultural effects like long-term orientation or uncertainty avoidance or personal indulgence as cultural factors influencing the use of anchoring. Likewise, the level of trust within a society or the quality of institutions also affects the use of anchoring in the M&A process. But we think that this study not only addresses the issue of anchoring in M&As, but also offers insight or further research in the area of behavioral corporate finance. Things like, for instance, how do CEO cultural, demographic, or professional or experiential characteristics influence the use of anchoring? Sort of focus there on CEO. Or what about transition economies, where we know that the cultural norms and the institutions are changing very dramatically? Might the use of anchoring differ? Or might anchoring be used for other corporate finance decisions, such as dividend policy, cost of capital, or capital structure? So thank you for this opportunity to share with you the essential findings in our study on anchoring in global M&A activity.